Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can work with PDF files in Python. So there are two modules which you have to install, and I'm using a virtual environment here. So the first one is PyPDF2 and the second one is FPDF. So let's do this. Let's create a new file, create.py. And in order to create a PDF file, we need to import from, FPDF, the FPDF class, and create our FPDF instance. Once the instance is created, we can add a page to the PDF, and what we can do is to set the font of this page, and let's make it Arial, and the size should be 15. Now what we can do is to create a cell, and we have to provide coordinates for this cell, and we can provide the text as well. So PDFs with Python demo, and we can align, and the alignment should be center. Now let's create another PDF cell, and this should be like a subtitle, and learn Python and how to do PDFs. Now we have the cells, and we can use the output function to create the demo.pdf. Alright, so this is a basic example, but the idea is pretty simple. And if we click execute the create, then we will have the demo.pdf in our folder. And if I open it with Chrome, you will see that the text is in the PDF that I have created. Make sure that this is a capital letter, and that way we should have the alignment correct. Alright, so now we learned how to create a PDF file. What we would like to do is to learn how to read a PDF file. In order to read the PDF file, what we are going to do is import the PyPDF2. We are going to open the PDF file called demo.pdf, and the mode is going to be read binary. Now we are going to create our reader from the PyPDF2.pdf file reader, and we will pass the PDF as argument. And what we can do is to print the number of pages. We can also extract the text which lies within the PDF itself. And in order to extract this text, we need to get the first page, and we are going to use the reader get page with the first index, and on the first page we are going to use the extract text, and after that we should close the PDF. Now if we execute the reader, then you will see we have a deprecation warning, but apart from that we are going to see the number of pages the PDF has and the content from the PDF. And basically that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.